I'm Lauren Squires. The standard that I wanted to achieve with my Aura task was to understand the interaction between humans and the environment. And this is a standard for first, second, elementary schoolers, younger kids. The objective of the learning objective that I wanted to focus on as well was to explain the ways that people use environmental resources to meet basic needs and wants, so shelter, food, clothing, etc. And the Aurora that I developed to work in order to help students better achieve the lesson objective and the standard, so this is how it will work, is basically I'm going to use Erasma, put pictures of the culture, like pictures of food or dress or clothing, shelter, basically, yes, on a map, put pictures of it on a map, and have informal videos on each country in order to show the differing basic needs and wants, the shelter, food, and clothing of different countries. And then I also thought about, for the same kind of thing, to do a different standard on the different day, but they kind of like correlate, the standards correlate, and it's to understand how individuals are similar and different. And the objective of that is to explain the elements of culture and how people speak, how people dress, and the foods they eat. And to do that, I would use the Erasma and the same map, different pictures, the same overlaid, different videos and information to show different elements of culture. I think it's very important for students to see other places and know that where they are is not how it is everywhere else, and that everybody's different and everybody has different playing fields and opportunities. So the 3 questions that I asked, that I'm going to ask after I show the students the Aurora, is if they can create a native food of other cultures, so an activity in the classroom to show the different foods, that people are different, people eat different things. And then I'm going to ask the students to understand how are individuals similar or different from these other countries to create their better understanding. Hopefully this could be in a conversation setting, not just written out on paper. And the last thing was to what is the standard house food living in Africa or a different country anywhere else. The answers to those questions are pretty basic, the creative, I'll help the students create the food and everything, create a good activity for them, keep them interested, and then to understand how individuals are similar or different. Hopefully they could see the difference in the culture and the dress and everything, just understand there are differences. And then to remember what the standard is for everyone else. Thank you for listening.